Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Nigerian lunch ideas. Okay, some Nigerian local dishes, our yummy food that you can have as your lunch. Okay, so and don't forget our Nigerian food, it's more of solid food. Okay, heavy food. When you eat, you feel that you've eaten. So majorly the common one, it's our normal swallow, garri and soup, or fufu and soup, any swallow at all, any solid at all with the soup. And we have varieties of soup. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be categorizing them into if you want to have something strong, something heavy as your lunch, and if you want it light. Okay, if you want to keep it light and cool, I got you covered in this video. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to be twisting or mixing the recipes. Okay, so as you can see me do from this first one, this is porridge beans, no fried porridge beans. You can see that you can enjoy it with your plantain, and I added fish to these beans. Okay, you can enjoy it with your garri, especially now we're country hot. So enjoy your beans, as you can see. So if you don't want beans, you want it to make moi-moi, you want to use the beans to make moi-moi with leaf or with the baking one, I got the two here. Don't worry, we are getting to that. Then if you want something light, you can have your fries, your chips with coleslaw, and if you got the chicken there. So this is something light, I got you covered. Then you want it a bit heavier. You see your boiled plantain, you can just boil your plantain. I'm assuming you already have your stew at home. Boil your plantain. As you're boiling that plantain, make sure you add eggs to it, boiled egg. If you have veggies, add it. Then we move over to rice. You see the white rice with little stew. Now I add my white sauce, okay, vegetable sauce with the rice. And who says you can only enjoy your sauce with rice or yam or potato? No, make your fries. It goes very well with white sauce as well. So if you want it with the ketchup, enjoy. If I want it with my sauce, it is right there. Enjoy it, okay? Then if you want another pattern of rice, this is coconut rice with some fried plantains. Okay, this goes well as your lunch. Then if full about the chicken, leg of chicken, just put it there and your lunch is ready. Okay, now this is my no fry noodles. I'm not sure, I haven't made this noodles, not on this channel yet, but I'll make it soon. So you can make your noodles. You see the egg, you see the veggies, the colors, so looking so yummy, so inviting. Make your noodles and your lunch is ready. Yes, like I said earlier, I assume you already have your pot of stew. So with your pot of stew, you can also use it to just have your white rice. But look at that rice very well. It is not just ordinary white rice. There are things glittering inside. The cutler the point now. Then if you say, I don't want all this, I want something much lighter. Lama, how can I have this snack as my lunch? Yes, you can have this snack as your lunch because it's very filling. Why is it very filling? Because the filling is potatoes. It's made with potatoes and some other veggies you can see there. Yes, so if you have this as your lunch, I tell you, you will be very full. Yeah, I can tell you that you'll be very full. So enjoy this snack with any drink of your choice. You see the side there, whatever you have as you want to dip it in. Good to go. Okay. Then if you want macaroni, yes, you can prepare your macaroni. Very easy, very simple. Add your veggies, guys. I hope you're noticing that almost all the recipes, veggies. But you see that boiled egg with turkey. This is not chicken, it's turkey. Add it. Enjoy yourself. Okay, so if you finish with that, proceed to swallow. Yeah, so this is my plantain fufu. Guys, plantain fufu is very simple to make. I also have it here on my channel. So make your plantain fufu and enjoy it with any soup of your choice. But for me, oh my goodness, I can't eat plantain fufu with any other soup if it's not slimy soup. It has to be ogbono soup or okra soup. I enjoy it. If you try it, if you know it overload, make I know wetin cause am. So guys, from there we proceed again to this yummy vegetable sauce. You can see the veggies with fish, fresh tomatoes, onions, ogbegberu. Again, you can pair this with your boiled yam. You saw I added egg to it, boiled plantain, beans, rice, potatoes, anything. It goes with it, a lot of things, okay? You can even use it to enjoy your swallow. Yes. Again, the other moi-moi, this one I cooked it in the oven, okay? So, like I said, there are two types. This one is the oven type. You can see it came out nice. You can also decide to have your noodles and plantain frittata, okay? This is very yummy as well. Make your plantain and noodles frittata, and yeah, you have it. Oh, see my Fanta by the side. Mwah. Nyambwela man on Owa. Chai Jehovah. Enjoy with any drink of your choice or just drink water. Drink water. Leave that drink. Now we have a typical Nigerian afang soup. Afang soup is simply okaze and water leaves, okay? Use it to make this delicious and yummylicious soup, okay? That month, my Akwa Ibom girl nearly finished me with Akwa Ibom delicacies. So that done, you can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice, gare, fufu, plantain, yam, anything swallow. Enjoy, and that's it, okay? Then we proceed. Yeah, move over to this blood tonic. Of Obogerembi say, oh my God, Obogere fluted pumpkin. Oh my home, oh my home, where shall I see my beautiful home? Oh, Nyong Milene Rosy mushroom, fresh mushroom with fluted pumpkin. Guys, make this soup. This is as in you'll be having blood swimming in your body. You will enjoy this, okay? Make this another type of fresh and yummy soup, okay? And then enjoy with any swallow again of your choice, okay? That's it. We proceed again. Move to okazi soup. Guys, you know that okazi soup is another delicacy that you can't go wrong with. Enjoy your okazi soup with any swallow of your choice. Ekotala. Then we move to no fry edikaikong soup. Guys, keep counting. How many no fries? How many veggies have we chocolated in this video? So, yeah, make your edikaikong soup and enjoy with your semo, with your wheat, with any swallow of your choice. Okay, enjoy. Ekatala. I make a lot of swallows on this channel. Check them out and enjoy your life. Moving on, if you want no fry plantain porridge, we are still counting. How many no fries now have we done? So I keep telling you guys, you can prepare a lot of dishes without frying. Make your recipes a lot without frying. So make our plantain porridge. Pretty easy, pretty simple dish, as much as you want, and enjoy yourself. Your lunch is ready. We proceed to okwa. Okay, okwa and peeled beans. You can decide to make only the okwa. You can decide to add some beans to it. Just your choice. A kotala the point now. So we make the okwa, and as you can see, okwa doesn't take much ingredient. With just your crayfish, pepper, onions, oil, maybe seasoning, your okwa is ready, served, yummy. Enjoy your life. So we move to the second batch of moi-moi. This one is with the oma leaves, okay? So again, it's also simple, or you can use your plastic plate, but I don't advise for plastic plates because of the heat, you know. I only use this plastic plate because I ran out of the omali finished, and this is late in the night. I don't know where to get leaves, so I just put that last one in that plate, okay? So you see our moi moi, it's ready. Enjoy yourself. Lunch is served. Pair it with your gari or your pap, okay, or rice. Enjoy. Moving on, you can decide to make pasta. You see those colors, those beautiful colors, make it. And this one again, enjoy yourself. No fries. How many recipes have we counted so far? Is it not over 10? How many no fries have we counted? You see, almost all of them, veggies, veggies, veggies. And guys, the most important thing is that all these videos are right here on my channel. You can watch them. I'll put them in the description box. Apart from the no fry noodles I said I'll make soon, okay? Okay guys, so if you gained something from this Nigeria food lunch ideas, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. I'm wrapping it up right here. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.